Imagine a town founded on hope, a place where a formerly enslaved man defied the odds, bought his own freedom, and created a new community for both black and white settlers in a nation where slavery still flourished. Picture a small but thriving town in the midst of 19th century Illinois, an integrated haven in a world fractured by racial division. This is the story of New Philadelphia, Illinois, a town born from courage and determination, yet ultimately undone by the very forces it sought to rise above. New Philadelphia wasn't just any town. It was a radical symbol of what could be, but its dream, much like many bold visions of the time, faced incredible obstacles, and the story of its rise and fall reveals deep truths about America's ongoing struggle with race, equality, and justice. The story of New Philadelphia begins with one extraordinary man, free Frank McWorter. Born into slavery in South Carolina in 1777, McWorter lived the first half of his life as property of another man. His enslaver moved him to Kentucky, where McWorter toiled on a saltpeter production site, an industry vital for making gunpowder. Despite the bleakness of his situation, McWorter's story was not destined to be one of hopelessness. By the early 1800s, Frank had managed to gain some measure of independence. His enslaver allowed him to work part-time for himself, and Frank saved what little he could. He soon developed a bold plan to buy his freedom. Through tireless labor and careful financial management, Frank saved $800, a fortune for an enslaved man at the time. In 1819, he used this money to purchase his freedom. But Frank's story didn't end with his own emancipation. Over the next few years, he also purchased the freedom of his wife, Lucy, and several of his children. By 1830, Frank McWorter was a free man, with a vision of something bigger than just freedom for himself. He wanted to build a place where black people could live and work free of the threat of enslavement alongside white settlers in a community of mutual respect. In 1836, he took a giant leap toward making that dream a reality by purchasing 160 acres of land in the rolling prairies of western Illinois. It was here that free Frank McWorter founded the town of New Philadelphia, a town that would become a groundbreaking symbol of black autonomy and integration. McWorter officially platted New Philadelphia in 1836, making it the first town in the United States founded and legally registered by an African American. This was no small feat in a nation where black people, even those who were free, were routinely denied basic civil rights. The very existence of New Philadelphia was a bold act of defiance against the racial norms of the day. McWorter's vision for New Philadelphia was grand. He hoped to create a thriving, racially integrated community where black families, free or formerly enslaved, could live alongside white settlers in peace. The town was meticulously laid out, with 144 plots of land for sale, each ready for homes and businesses. New Philadelphia wasn't just a place for people to live. It was meant to be a beacon of freedom and opportunity. For a time, the dream seemed to be coming true. The town began to grow, and both black and white families settled there. In a period when free black communities in the North were often met with hostility, New Philadelphia stood as a rare example of racial integration. Free Frank sold plots of land to both black and white settlers, and the town's population steadily grew throughout the 1840s and 1850s. By the mid-19th century, New Philadelphia boasted homes, farms, businesses, and even schools. It was a small, vibrant community where neighbors helped one another, and the dream of equality, if not fully realized, felt closer than in most other parts of the country. However, New Philadelphia's prosperity was not to last. Even as the town grew, it faced immense challenges, many of them rooted in the racial climate of the time. While Illinois was a free state, racism was deeply ingrained in its society. The surrounding white communities viewed New Philadelphia with suspicion and hostility. They saw the town as a threat to the established racial order and resented the idea of black families owning land and achieving economic success. Racial tension was not the only obstacle. The town's location also worked against it. Situated in Pike County, Illinois, New Philadelphia was relatively isolated, surrounded by larger, predominantly white towns that had more established infrastructure and access to trade routes. As the mid-19th century progressed, railroads were becoming the lifeblood of small-town America. A connection to the railroad could mean the difference between prosperity and decline. In 1869, when a railroad line was constructed through Pike County, New Philadelphia's hopes for economic growth were dashed. The railroad bypassed New Philadelphia in favor of a nearby white settlement, a decision widely believed to have been influenced by racial prejudice. Without access to the railroad, New Philadelphia found itself cut off from the economic networks that were vital to its survival. Over time, businesses began to struggle, and residents started moving away in search of better opportunities elsewhere. By the 1880s, New Philadelphia was in decline. While a few families remained, the town's once vibrant population dwindled, and many of the homes and businesses fell into disrepair. The final blow to New Philadelphia came in the early 20th century. As the remaining residents either moved away or passed on, the town's buildings were abandoned. By the 1920s, New Philadelphia had largely disappeared from the map. Its land was gradually converted back into farmland, erasing much of the physical evidence of the town's existence. For decades, New Philadelphia was forgotten, its story buried under the weight of history. But the legacy of Free Frank McWorter and his bold experiment in racial equality and freedom could not be erased so easily. In the late 20th century, historians and archaeologists began to take an interest in the site, uncovering artifacts and documents that told the story of this remarkable town. In 2005, New Philadelphia was listed on the National Register of Historic Places, and in 2022, it was designated as a National Historic Site, ensuring that its story would be remembered for generations to come. Though New Philadelphia as a physical town no longer exists, its spirit lives on. The story of Free Frank McWorter and his bold vision for a racially integrated community is a testament to the resilience and determination of African Americans in the face of overwhelming odds. McWorter's descendants, like the town he founded, have continued to carry forward his legacy. Today, many of his descendants live across the United States, and some have worked to preserve the history of New Philadelphia, ensuring that future generations will know the story of their ancestors' incredible achievements. In recent years, descendants of both black and white residents of New Philadelphia have come together to honor the town's legacy. Through archaeological digs, historical preservation efforts, and educational programs, they have worked to keep alive the memory of this unique community and the values it stood for: equality, freedom, and hope. New Philadelphia, Illinois, may not have survived the test of time as a physical place, but its story endures as a powerful symbol of what can be achieved when people dare to dream of something better. Free Frank McWorter's vision of a town where black and white families could live and work together as equals was nothing short of revolutionary in 19th century America. And though the town ultimately fell victim to the forces of racism, isolation, and economic hardship, its legacy remains. New Philadelphia serves as a reminder of the progress that can be made when individuals and communities refuse to accept the status quo. It's a story of courage, resilience, and the power of hope in the face of adversity. Today, as we continue to grapple with issues of racial inequality and social justice, the story of New Philadelphia feels more relevant than ever. A beacon of what is possible when we strive for a more just and equitable world.